your immigration application to the Home Office is refused, or your asylum, refugee, or human right claim is declared or certified by the Home Office as clearly unfounded, and a certificate is issued to you, you need to see a lawyer as soon as possible. When your immigration application is refused, they will issue a letter to you. The letter will state what your next step will be. You may be given the opportunity for administrative review. You may be given the opportunity for appeal. Your opportunity to appeal may be in country, inside the United Kingdom, or out country. You see, when you're given the appeal opportunity, it has a time limit. If you are applying in the United Kingdom, they only give 14 days for you to appeal. If you are applying for outside the United Kingdom, you have 28 days to appeal. Don't ponder over the letter or put it under your pillow. Don't waste time. You need to see a lawyer as soon as possible. If you receive the decision letter from the Home Office which refuses your claim as an asylum seeker and informs you that the claim has been certified as clearly unfounded, hope is not lost. Don't sit idly by thinking a magic will happen. You need to see a lawyer. You may be given right of administrative review. Now, there is a lawyer that will apply for administrative review for you on your behalf. Hope is not lost. There may be situational changes regarding your application. Since you made an application, your situation may have changed. You may have gotten a very good job. You may have gotten married. You may have given birth to a child. That will alter your position with the Home Office. You can make application, a lawyer can make representation, appeal on your behalf, or make administrative application on your behalf. Don't leave it aloof. Don't hesitate. You need to take action. You know, your situation may have changed. The situation in the country may have changed. There may be a case law that has been decided since you made an application. It is the responsibility of the lawyer to make a research on your behalf, whether the laws have changed to favor in your favor, and to submit fresh claim on your behalf, to submit a fresh application on your behalf, or to submit an administrative review on your behalf, or perhaps to appeal on your behalf. So you need to see a lawyer who will challenge such a decision for you, whether inside the United Kingdom or outside the United Kingdom. You know, there are time limits, as I've said. Out of country appeal follow stringent rules. You need to make the application. You know, there are some rules and regulations to follow. Hope is not lost if they refuse your application. A lawyer can appeal successfully on your behalf, and you may be granted the application. Your situation may have changed. The new things may have evolved concerning your matter since you made the application. Your salary at your place of work may have increased, and also the fact that you may have gotten a new employer. There may be something that has transpired since you apply, since you made your immigration application, or you apply for asylum, or you make a human right application. You know, you may submit a new medical report, a new assessment by a consultant doctor about your situation within the relevant time limit, and a lawyer will submit that on your behalf. Perhaps there may be a new psychiatric report about your application or about your situation. There may be a new assessment report about your family situation. You may have given birth to children since you made your application last. It is a lawyer who will expound the argument and put the argument forward on your behalf. You know, there may be new case law, as I've said, which is relevant to your application, to your claim for asylum or for human right. Will put this forward on your behalf. There may be updated country guidance, you know, your country of origin. There may be new happenings there that the Home Office need to know, and this may cause the Home Office to give to grant a reversal of their decision. It is a lawyer that can do that for you. You know, there may be updated objective evidence about you. There may be updated subjective evidence about you and your application, which the Home Office will be interested in knowing, and this may cause them to change their decision of refusal of your application. If you receive a refusal letter, hope is not lost. You need to take action fairly quickly. You may have new evidences since you made your application. You may have submitted your application to the Home Office maybe 1 year, 2 years, 3 years ago, and new things have developed, new evidence about your situation in the United Kingdom may have evolved. We will submit that application for you in which you didn't put in the original application, that will booster your matter or your application that you've already submitted with the Home Office. It is important to know that fresh evidence produce fresh decisions from the Home Office. You know, a lawyer will submit further submission on your behalf, of fresh claim on your behalf, which allow you to provide further evidence, further representation in support your application. You need to see a lawyer. You know, there may be new argument in your favor that can make a significant difference in your application, that will cause the Home Office to grant you the application. You know, the lawyer can explain your new situation, how they meet the requirement of the immigration application that you apply for, that will produce a favorable decision on your behalf. You know, there may be new argument, new directions that the lawyer can point them to give you